Hope you are doing absolutely great. So today we are going to talk about the smartphones that are available in the price bracket of 20,000 rupees. This is a very popular price range because the smartphones that are available in this price range are very popular because of the features that they give for their great value. So let's get straight to it. So the first smartphone that we are going to talk about is the Realme 6 Pro. So this is a company which has been making this budget smartphone for a very long time now, and every year they give very great smartphones. So this time it's the same case, and we have got a really good smartphone this time also. So it is having a 90 hertz of display. In this price bracket, it's plumbing amazing at this price range. And then it comes with a quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel of main camera, and it comes with a 4500 mAh of battery, and a really sweet price of 17,000 rupees, which you can get on Amazon. Second smartphone is from Poco, the Poco X2. Yeah, it's the same company that brought us the Poco F1 with the specifications that were of a flagship smartphone at that time, that the Snapdragon 845 chip. Yeah, it's the same company. It's not the same thing this time, as it's not the same flagship grade Snapdragon chipset this time, but it's a great value smartphone now. So it comes with a 120 Hz of display, which is really good at this price range, much higher than the previous, that is 90 Hz that is given in the Realme 6 Pro. It's 120 Hz now. So, and it comes with the same 4500 mAh of battery and a quad camera setup. So it's almost the same, just few peaks. And now the next smartphone that we shall talk about is the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Yeah, it sounds a little like the new iPhone 11, but we can't do anything for that. So it comes with a IPS display and no high refresh rate, so 60 Hz of display only. So not like a Super AMOLED and not even a high refresh rate. So it's little bit of hit there, but everything else other than that is all awesome in this smartphone. That it comes with a 720G chipset, a little bit less than the 730G that the Realme 6 and the Poco is having, but it's okay. And then it comes with a quad camera setup as all those smartphones also. It is a really considerable smartphone according to its price, which it is going to come. Yeah, it's not been launched till now, so it will be launched in some days. So when it launches, we will get its price and it will be done then. So now let's talk about something different from these Realme and these Xiaomi phones. Now let's talk about Samsung. So Samsung had come with his M31, which is a really great smartphone this time, and the M30s, which is its predecessor, is also very good. To consider this time, it's around 12,000, but it's a little bit old. So Samsung has came with a new smartphone, that is M31. It also comes with a quad camera setup, that is 64 megapixel, and that's all same. And then it comes with a Super AMOLED display. Now it's of 60 Hz, but it's Super AMOLED. So in the Poco and Realme, we don't get any Super AMOLED displays. Those are just LCD displays, but they get a high refresh rate. But in Samsung, it has got a lower refresh rate but a Super AMOLED display. So it's your thing to think about what you want, a Super AMOLED display or a higher refresh rate, but it's also good. So, and the main thing about this smartphone is, like the M30s, it has got a 6000 mAh of battery. Yeah, 6000, a huge battery it has got. So it can give 1.5 or 2 days of battery to you. So, and the next thing, the processor that it gets is the Exynos, that is from Samsung, the 9611. So it's a good processor for daily usage and it's recommendable, but it's not that good as the Snapdragon chips that we have got in those 730G.
Everglass, pour it up, waterfall, liquor in my cup, like yeah. you. Celebrate the shit you put me through, like yeah.
Get this level, I should have considered this price. So please tell me in the comment box below.
So tell me everything in your head. I won't be angry if you're needing space. I'll